Hi friends, welcome to MarkOInsights. This is Nidhi, and in this video I'm going to introduce a very interesting and cool retail business model to you, and it is called dropshipping. If you want to start your own business of selling something but you are discouraged by the thought of having to maintain an inventory or storefront or a warehouse, dropshipping could be the right business model for you. Stay with us through this video where we discuss what dropshipping actually is, what are its pros and cons, and what all things you should keep in mind while making dropshipping as your business model. Dropshipping is an online retail business model where the retailer does not maintain inventory of items they are selling. So here's how the dropshipping process will work. Number 1, customer will place an order with the retailer. Number 2, retailer processes this order and forwards it to the supplier or the wholesaler. Once the supplier receives the order, they prepare it. Step number 4, supplier ships the order. Number 5, customer receives the order. So, in drop shipping, are you paying for maintaining the stocks? No. Are you handling the shipping? No. Are you creating an awesome online store? Yes. Are you earning better profits because you are more focused towards converting the customers? Yes. Now the customer has received the order. So if they like the product, they might want to give you some reviews. So you have to make sure that there is a CRM software in place where the customers can reach out and review your products. Let's discuss the pros and cons of dropshipping. Let's look at the pros first. Number 1 is low startup cost. You're not leasing a shop, you're not maintaining the stocks, and you're not paying for warehousing. You're not even paying for staffs to maintain all these things. So the only cost that you're going to incur is setting up an online shop. The website could be your own, or you can go on the platforms like Amazon, Squarespace, or Shopify. Number 2 is no inventory management. You really do not have to manage any inventory. The products are directly coming from supplier's place to the customer. Number 3 is flexibility in product offering. Since you are not maintaining a lot of inventory, you can always diversify in the product range that you're offering. Number 4 is scalability. Now, if your supplier is correct and you know how to handle the traffic that you're getting on the website, you can actually scale your business from 1 to 100 as fast as you want to do. Now, let's look at the cons of dropshipping. Number 1 is high competition. Since the entry barriers are low, there are enough number of people who might be selling the same product as you. So, the product is not a differentiating factor. Customer service is. So, if your customer service is good, you're bound to succeed. Number 2 is low margins. Since there is more competition, obviously the margins are going to take a hit. Number 3 is excessive reliance on third party supplier. What happens if supplier is not able to execute the order? What happens if there is a damage? What happens if there is a quality difference? So all these things are basically dependent upon the supplier, which is a third party. So for you to maintain a healthy relationship with your customer, a third party has to execute or deliver, which is a tricky situation. So it is very important while signing up a supplier to clear out all these terms in the contract. Number 4 is limited customization. Since the product is not moving out from your place, it is moving out from some other supplier, there is only limited chance of you customizing your product as per your customer's requirement. Last but not the least is the challenges in customer support. If the terms of customer service like damages, returns, deliveries is not clear between you and your supplier, it can lead to a very messy and very unpleasant experience for the customers. So it is imperative that we rule out all these possibilities while signing up or drawing a contract. Now let's look at some important questions that you need to ask the manufacturers, wholesalers, or suppliers while talking to them or signing them up for your business based on dropshipping model. Number one, what is the wholesale price they are offering you on their products? The margin should be good enough for you to make a decent profit. Number two, ask them if they are charging you any handling fee. If yes, how much? Most companies do not charge you any handling fee. They just charge you for the delivery fees that they are going to incur themselves on FedEx or some other courier service. But other companies might charge you the handling fee. This handling fee they basically charge to offset their cost of picking, packing, and processing your order. Having the handling fee sorted out beforehand is very important so that you do not have surprises while paying the bill. Number three is how they are going to ship your products. Which shipping companies are they going to use? Are they going to give the tracking IDs with the order confirmation? If there is an issue with the order, who's going to handle it and how? Also, check with them what are they going to do if there is a back order situation. Number four, how they are going to bill you. Is it going to be order basis or monthly or half yearly? Whatever is the understanding. But we should have this understanding beforehand. Last but not the least, how they're going to deal with returns, right? Is there a warranty or guarantee situation? If the customer complains, who's going to answer that complaint? Having all these important points cleared up before signing up a contract is very important in drop shipping. Drop shipping is gaining immense popularity in today's time, and rightly so, because it actually takes out all the things that you don't need to do while starting off your business, right? It gives you an opportunity to go out there and just do what you really want to do and sell things. So this was all about drop shipping and its pros and cons. Do let me know if you like the video in the comment section. Hit the like button and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Marco Insights. That bell icon, yes, hit that too. Bye.